Hindi ba kami hinahanap sa district? Tulungan mo.
You done it?
Of course, Mama noticed this, and you're just. Thanks, Mama.
Kami hinahanap sa district. Hindi yung hanap. Sabihin mo.
Yeah, you should be up here.
What help do you need?
Mga lahat na kailangan niya. Kaya hindi niya alam niya mga lahat kung saan nakalagay.
You hear that?
What help do you need, diba, dog?
Hindi niya alam yung mga saan nakalagay. Kaya na, i-assist mo.
What?
You hear Mama telling you to assist me?
So now what else do you need help with?
You stand by beside him. Pag
Why don't you
something
fucking
to
learn
do.
how to do this? Preach, Mama, preach. You tell her. I need 3 cloves of garlic peel. What?
Dalit daw, 3.